Everybody knows what is chai. So chai is a very famous hot Indian drink. When I came to Germany for the first time, I suffered really bad winter blues. In that year, there was a heavy snowfall and the sky was dark and I used to feel very depressed. Then one day I was craving for chai. I went to market and bought a packet of black tea and make this chai with ginger, and then I felt happy, and now it's my remedy for treating winter blues. So if you live in a very cold area or in the winter days, enjoy the chai. It will make your day. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. For making chai we need some water. Usually if you want to make a 1 cup of tea, you need half cup of water. Some milk, obviously some black tea, and this black tea is having some herbs with it, but you can also add some herbs from outside. For example, Indian tulsi tastes very good with the tea, and there is a particular tea masala that you can buy in some grocery stores. You can use that one also. And it says that this tea masala have black pepper, dry ginger, cardamom, nutmeg, mace, cloves, mulethi, cinnamon and root papali. So if you know, if you have any of these herbs at home, you can add that to Indian chai. And then we need some ginger, because in cold weather ginger tastes very good in tea. When the weather is hot and you want the tea to be a bit soothing to your stomach, so you can add some peppermint also. Then we need some jaggery or gur. First we will boil water. So water is hot now. Now add grated ginger to it. Wait until ginger extract in water. Sometimes the ginger have some lemon juice or some other chemicals, and because of this, if you add ginger directly to milk, the milk is curdled. So to avoid this, we are adding ginger first to water, and then we will add milk. Or if you are making tea with sugar, you can add sugar beforehand, so it will reduce the chances of getting the milk to curdle. So now first we will add black tea, mix it. Now add milk. And actually jaggery is a very raw form of sugar. So if you add jaggery before in the tea, it will, because of its electrolyte, it will also make milk curdled, and our tea will not be so pleasing to see. So all I do is I add jaggery at the end of the process when boiling is done, and then I strain tea immediately. If chai doesn't look like chai in color, then add some more black tea to it. And let it boil. So now boiling is done, and we are not going to boil it any further. So I will add some jaggery to it for taste, and then mix the tea. So chai is ready, and you can enjoy chai with any salty or sweet snack. So here are some healthy crackers, chips, सेव, तली हुई दाल. I personally like to have tea with some slices of bread and butter, and here is some butter biscuit. Only Indians do it. Like you take a biscuit and dip it in chai, and then you have to be careful until otherwise the biscuit will break, and eat. So enjoy. My Twitter is from Indian Soul. My Instagram is Indian Soul in Euro, and my YouTube you all know. Please subscribe to my channel and comment, like and share this video.